So if you currently aren't using Reels right now, I want to take a moment to show you how easy it can be for you to get started today. So one of the first things that I always suggest is that you explore any marketing strategy that you're interested in adopting. Go ahead and look to see what the market is doing so that you can learn and glean from someone else. And so Reels, what the benefits are of Reels is, number one, they can definitely grow your account. So Reels are a part of Instagram, and when you are creating Reels, your account actually will show up on the Explore page of Instagram. That means more people, not just your followers, will see your Reels, but more people who haven't heard of you yet but may be interested in your services, they will actually get served up your content. So the first thing that you can do in order to just get more comfortable with Reels, is to actually head on over to your Reels tab, which is, as you can see at the bottom, my Reels tab is right in the middle. It's the third button over, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that tab. And just to go through your Reels, a suggestion that I have, just go through and look to see if you are interested in creating or recreating a Reel. So the beauty of a Reel is the fact that you're really not rewarded for original content. You're rewarded more so for trending content. So it's perfectly fine to recreate something that you find on the Reels, especially if it's something that's in line with your message or your business. So the first thing that I would do is just sort of go through the Reels and find any Reels that you find interesting or that fancy your interest, or maybe something that you think you could recreate. And once you find something, what you're going to do is you're going to save it. So if I had an interest in this particular Reel, I'll go ahead and hit the ribbon here. And what will happen is once you hit that ribbon, you'll have a chance to save it to a collection. And so you hit the plus sign, you can create a folder and start saving any Reels that you want to come back to in the future. This is a great way to collect ideas. And maybe if you're ever short of ideas or you just need a little bit of inspiration, you can go back to this folder on Instagram and really pull from ideas there. Another thing that you want to pay attention to when it comes to finding ideas for your Reels is the music. Trending music is the best music to use. So in order to find music, again, what you'll do is just sort of go through the Reels, find Reels that you like, find ones that are in line with your message and your business and your brand. And once you do that, what you can do is actually click on the music. So at the bottom, as you can see, on the bottom left side, you'll see some scrolling words, which is the title of the song being used in this particular Reel. And so if we're interested in this music, what we'll do is we'll actually click on the song title, and then we can actually save this audio. And so this will go into your audio or your music folder. So when you're ready to actually create a Reel, you can always have this music ready to go. Another thing that you want to pay attention to when you are finding music is you can see the little arrow uptick here next to the 238,000 Reels. That means that this music has been used in 238,000 Reels and counting. So this is considered trending music. So anytime you find music and there's a little arrow next to it, it's considered trending music, and you can actually use that music, and it will increase the likelihood that more people will find your content here on Reels. Okay, so those are some things that you can do. Now, another thing that you can do with your Reels is actually use someone else's template. So if you really liked this particular graphic here, if you like the look, the feel, the effects, the aesthetics, if you like just how the images are being delivered through this video, you can recreate this by just simply clicking the white button here that says use template. You can click that button and then upload your videos, your images. You can upload everything here. And that way you can recreate this video without having to start from scratch. This is a great strategy for your content because this will save you a lot of time, and you can tap into something that's already working for someone else. So I hope these tips help, and I hope you have a great day.